So we will continue the chapter 4. I already taught you physical properties of metals and physical properties of non-metal. Today I am going to start chemical properties of metals. Let us see. Science chapter 4 metals and non-metals, and today topic is chemical properties of metals. Before starting the chemical properties of metal, you have to know the elements and their symbols. There are several elements discovered, and you can see these elements in the periodic table. So search on the net periodic table or ask to elders. So periodic table, there are 118, 19 elements are discovered, in which some are metals, approx 92 are the metals, 24 are the non-metals. So you have to learn the 1 to 30 elements and their symbols and names also. So it is easier to understand that this concept of this chapter. Elements are made up by the atoms. Elements are made up by the atoms. What is the atoms? Atom is the smallest unit of an element. Element like metals made up by the atoms, and it is the smallest unit of an element. So atom is the smallest unit of an element. It is the smallest unit of an atom is the smallest unit. When two or more atoms join together, they form molecules. Suppose that here H is the symbol. I had written H. H means hydrogen. It is the symbol of H is hydrogen. So H alone, it is a symbol of hydrogen. When two hydrogen atoms join together, it forms H2 molecules. When the atom join together, it form molecule H2. 2 means 2 hydrogen atoms. So atom is the smallest unit. When the atom join together, form molecules, and molecules are the substances that are atoms, and molecules are the pure substances. So the today topic is chemical properties of metal. To understand the chemical property, you have to know the molecular formula of the substances and the symbolic representation of the substances. So you have to learn at least 1 to 30 atomic numbers of elements and their symbols and names. First reaction is reaction with oxygen. When any metal reacts with the oxygen, it produces metallic oxide. When it reacts means when it is exposed to air, then it reacts with the oxygen and form metallic oxide. When any metal reacts with oxygen, form metallic oxides. Some metals are highly reactive, some are less reactive. So highly reactive metals are react readily, easily reacts with the oxygen, form metallic oxides. So metals like sodium, potassium are highly reactive metals. So these metals are highly reactive. They possess high reactivity. So readily reacts with oxygen. That is why these metals, especially sodium and potassium, is stored in a kerosene. Here I have written the symbols. It is Na is a symbol of the sodium, K is potassium, and G is magnesium. And sodium and potassium are highly reactive elements, and these metals stored in kerosene, because if it is exposed to the air, then it reacts with the oxygen readily, easily, fastly. So first reaction is metal reacts with oxygen, give metallic oxide. Na is a symbol of sodium. O2 means oxygen gas. When Na means sodium reacts with oxygen, form sodium oxide. It is written here, it is a sodium oxide. It is a sodium oxide. Na2O is a formula of sodium oxide. Here Na is the symbol of sodium. Number of atom of sodium is 4. 4 is written, that means in this reaction the number of atoms of sodium is involved. 4 atoms are involved in the reaction of sodium. 2 atoms of the oxygen involved. The substances that participate in the reaction are called reactant. So here the reactants are sodium and oxygen. Now after the reaction is formed, that is called product, because it is a chemical chain. You have learned in the chemical chain new substances are formed after the reaction. So 4 Na atoms and oxygen 2 atoms reacts and form Na2O, sodium oxide, after the reaction. So in this type of reaction, chemical reaction, reactant always equals to the product. It is called balanced reaction. Reaction should be balanced, means that reactant always equals to the product. Means number of the atoms that present in the reactant, that is equals to the number of atoms in the product also. So here written 4 Na atoms and 2 oxygen, and after reaction we will get 4 Na atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. So reaction is balanced. Other elements like iron, aluminium reacts with oxygen very slowly. So here written Fe. Fe is the symbol of iron. O2 is oxygen, and it form Fe2O3. It is the formula of iron oxides. Aluminium, Al is the symbol of aluminium. O2 oxygen. When aluminium reacts with the oxygen, form aluminium oxide. In the same manner, magnesium also reacts with oxygen. Magnesium and oxygen. Find the symbol of magnesium in the periodic table. And oxygen, you know, O2. Magnesium symbol is Mg. Oxygen symbol is O2, and it release MgO, means the magnesium oxide that burns in the presence of oxygen with the white flame, dazzling white flame. So it burns quickly, the white flame. So magnesium oxide, when the magnesium reacts with the oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. You can see all the reaction, the number of the reactant is equals to the number of product. Here you can see in the iron, 4 iron, 3 O2 means 3 to the 6, 6 oxygen. So we get the 4 iron and 6 oxygen. In aluminium, 4 aluminium and 6 oxygen. So number of reactant is always equals to the number of products. Then we can say the equation is balanced. So understand the symbols of the elements. You have to learn at least 1 to 30 elements, symbols and their name also. It is your homework. Thank you.